Hello students, welcome back. Today I am discussing new topics of our chapter 6. Our chapter, our subject is IT Information Technology under the ASQF scheme. Subject code is 402 and part B we are continuing vocational skills and chapter 6 you know very well fundamental of computer continued, but today's topics are computer types, factor affects performance of computer, types of program. Okay student, so first thing is types of computer. So computer types can be classified on the basis of tasks and certain features such as size, brand, model, speed and work. So computer can be categorized different using different kind of parameters. So first thing is, so you can see first is PC. PC means microcomputer. Generally we can use, this is also called a desktop computer. So it is smallest, less expensive, put on desk and table also. So PC means microcomputer. We can also say this is a desktop computer. In the early age of invention of computer size was very high, very long. But nowadays computer will get smaller and smaller. The next computer we can use laptop oblique notebooks. They have battery operated, means we can move our laptop or notebook one place to another. So power backup is already present on our laptop using battery. Small in size, portable mobile computing technology. The third is handheld pocket PC, means they are smaller than laptops, use an electronic wiring pad, use touch sensitive screen, software based keyboard. We can say just like a mobile type computer. We have in day to day life we have already used different type of mobiles. So this type of device we can say handheld or pocket PC. In this PC virtual keyboard and touch screen also available. Okay, the next computer is tablet computer. It is a mobile computer larger than a mobile phone, offer virtual keyboard. Virtual keyboard means software based keyboard. A passive stylus pen means we can also say this is a digital pen. It is also connected to one with a wireless link or USB port. Means tablet computer have multiple capabilities, multiple power. So a latest technology of tablet use all types of technologies, wireless technologies, Bluetooth technologies, Wi-Fi technologies, and virtual keyboard facilities, and so many security things a tablet can provide. So these are the different types of the computer in day-to-day life we can use. Okay, but here one thing is important. The performance of any computer will depend on following things. Okay, first thing is processing speed. So processing speed, a system with the faster CPU complete the task more quickly. If we have strong CPU, latest generation of processor, so it can process our instruction quickly and fastly. Virus and spyware. So this is a malicious program or software also affect our performance of our computer system. Without virus, without spyware, our computer performance, our computer performance is very good, but our computer, if our computer are infected from virus, so it is another cause for the system performance. Virus infected computer always slow down speed our computer, or if any spyware is also a software. It is a bad program which can stolen our personal information. And this virus or spyware program always running in background silently and monitor our different kind of activity and also slow down the performance of our computer. So we can use a good quality of antivirus software to control virus and spyware programs. Okay, the next thing is desktop storage. So many files or folder on desktop will also affect our computer performance will show. If we have so many files and folder and we already put on our desktop screen, so our operating system and RAM use this space, so our urgent work will not perform easily. Disk escape. Disk space. Unused files saved on computer disk also slow down the computer speed. If we have so many files and unused file and old files, so we must delete this file and provide more and more space so that our computer perform nicely. RAM. If RAM is large enough to hold the data, it results in better performance. Means if our RAM is small, so our computer will hang again and again. So if our RAM space is very high, so our computer will not hang and smooth performance you can see. So these are the different kind of parameter will affect our performance of our computer system. Okay, now different types of programs. So in our computer we can use different kind of software for different purpose. So here I am showing some day-to-day basis software programs. Word processing programs generally we can use to type our letter, notes and general memos, application, etc. So word processing program, it is used to create and modify text-based document, and such as Microsoft Word and OpenOffice Writer we can use for this purpose. Presentation programs, it is used to view our data in the form of slide such as MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Impress. So with the help of presentation program we can present our data very nicely, impressively to our audience or viewers, or we can also animate our data. The next is spreadsheet programs. It is a spreadsheet of rows, columns, cells to store over all types of data. It is used to manage accounts, to perform calculations such as MS Excel and Calc. So this is a program which can perform different kind of calculation very easily and very fastly. It is a big table, and in this table rows and column and interaction of row and column will create a cell, or in this cell we can type any kind of data and perform various type of calculation. Now next thing is database programs. It is used to store and manage data in organized manner such as MS Access. Means a company have so many types of activities, so we can store the different kind of records in this database program, and easily we can insert, delete and edit the thousands of records and maintain a particular activity online, offline easily with the help of database programs. Graphic programs. It is used to edit and create drawings such as MS Paint and CorelDRAW and Photoshop. So with this graphic program, with the help of graphic program, we can also draw line, rectangle, circle, different kind of shapes. We can also insert picture, we can also edit the picture, we can also control brightness, contrast. There are so many things we can perform on our graphics, so that we can use MS Paint, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, etc. Then communication programs. It is used to send and receive message from one computer to another in a digital format using email or chat program. For example, email programs, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail, chat programs, Live Messenger, Google Hangout, etc. With the help of networking concept and internet concept, so we can use internet applications. With the help of these internet applications, we can send our message or data from one place to another place, and we can also perform face-to-face communication with the help of video conferencing and chat based online programs such as Live Messenger, Google Hangouts, etc. So these are the various kind of computer programs which we are really need to perform day to day real in this type of different kind of activities online. Okay students, then the next thing is here the title is hidden, but here procedure for starting and shutting down the computer. So this is a simple thing. If you want to use a computer, so first switch on the main power, then we can use UPS. UPS means uninterruptible power supply. Then we can on our CPU, then monitor, then after that operating system will load in our computer memory. Then you can see our welcome screen appear. You can see our login window means showing different kind of user account, and you can log on and desktop screen will appear, and then we can use different kind of computer programs. Okay, the next thing is shut down computer steps. If you want to shut down your computer and no longer you have any type of work, so you can first close all the applications including log off window, then click on shutdown button and just few minutes wait. Then your monitor completely will show a black screen. Then switch off UPS, then you can switch off main power. Okay, now we can we always use a keyboard. Keyboard is a hardware thing and input device. In keyboard various kind of keys are available. So generally you can see function keys F1 to F12, F1, F2, F3. So different kind of application have different kind of purpose using F1 to F12. So present on the top of a keyboard. We can also see special keys means window logo key, Alt key, Shift key, Control key, Escape key, cursor control keys means left, right, up, down, caps lock, space bar, Alt, Tab key, punctuation keys, colon, semicolon and dollar. There are so many keys which are available on the keyboard. We also use mouse. It is a pointing device used to select object, move and open items. Any mouse you can see three types of button available. First button is left button. It is used for simple selection. Left button always used for simple selection. Moving object. Double click to open any folder, to draw lines and various shape. We know very well. Right button, it is used to display shortcut menu. In any application, in any environment, there are so many options. We can't remember these all type of operation. So moving the particular area and just right click. So mostly available option you can see, then we can perform our task easily. Scroll wheel, generally our document is very large, so cannot fit in one computer screen. So our document will scroll. So we can, with the help of scroll wheel button, using a mouse, we can show our hidden and remaining portion of our file or document with the help of scroll wheels. So generally This is a basic thing. First we can start our computer, properly shut down our computer, uh, keyboard, basic knowledge of our keyboard, basic knowledge of our mouse. With the help of all things, this type of knowledge we can then we can use our computer perfectly. Okay students, thanks for attending the online class. Today below comment box you must type your name and class with section and following question answer. Today's question is, how many buttons are available on a mouse? Second question, which type of key are present on a keyboard? Write any two factors which can affect your computer performance. So 3 questions, you will write this answer in the comment box, and above answer will type in below comment box. After writing above answer in comment box, then you can also ask your doubt, your question, so I will definitely reply. Okay, thank you students.